So this is where we left off at today. We're going to install the AC connections, get a line running from here across there. We'll try and run some tails from the MC4 connectors into the two isolators for the solar panel array. Made a mistake. Yeah, they don't ring terminals here. Ferruled connections need to go in here. So there we go, ferruled connections. So we've got this. So now it should be set to Wi-Fi. Okay, we've got the ground connected in. So the earth here, somewhere here, in line with this cable. It's going to go through the trunking. Cable for the meter, it's going to go through there. And we're going to make it route somewhere through this one here. Okay, so I've cut the two tails here because we need to fit the DC breaker in here. So, okay, so that is going to go there. Got 3 Henley blocks. So this is pre-populated, ready to go alongside the GivEnergy meter. So the GivEnergy meter will live here. I've got a 32 amp and a small 6 amp. The meter alongside the 6 amp and the 32 amp will feed the actual system, the GivEnergy inverter. Make this go through there, come to the bottom there, and then it's going to run. So, just putting in some saddles. I've got the data cable running into its own. Cable one going into the DNO, so we can connect in the meter and do the wiring. Okay, so we've got a 32mm gland installed, going into the neutral bar, neutral coming in, live coming in, live bar right there, inverter, example for the meter, CPC, earth consumer unit, and the earth bonding for the unit. Connect some earth wires across the battery and the main inverter, and they will link up. They'll all be earth bonded together. So everything looks good, I think. Clamp meter wired in, inverter data cable, inverter connection. Clamp is the live and neutral to power this as well. Live feeding off the 6 amp. With the 25mm conductor cables, tails going in. So we've got all the stickers for safety.